An absolute must. Worth every cent. Cheers.
Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Holly and Andrew, and we're spending the next 90 days traveling around Europe with our dog Waffles. We release new episodes every Saturday, so make sure to subscribe to be the first to see our new videos.
Guten Tag. Is that right?
Yeah.
From Innsbruck. Or that's where we're heading at least. We're at the bus stop from our Airbnb up here in Sistrins, I think is the name of the little town we're in. The only thing here is a tiny little grocery store and a bunch of houses. So we're heading down into Innsbruck. The bus should be here in 4 minutes. We ride it for 23 stops.
Oh my gosh.
14 stops, 23 minutes.
Holy cow. And then, so today we're going down to the city to check out some stuff and then picking up a rental car.
Yep.
Cool.
Oh, she's sitting.
Oh, hi Waffles. Hi. So that was interesting. We got stopped and checked for our tickets on the bus. And I don't think that has ever happened to us before. This was the first time. So I'm glad we had tickets. I think that the little guard guy has never seen a paper ticket before because we paid cash when we got on the bus. Everybody else has their passes. But that's why you always buy a ticket. The lady next to us was getting a big fine because I don't think she had one. Anyway, so we are at the center of Innsbruck and we're gonna do some exploring.
Okay, so the gold roof, it is considered the city's most famous symbol. It was completed in 1500 and was decorated with 2,700 fire-gilded copper tiles for Emperor Maximilian I.
Cool. All right, where to next?
And action.